Breaking into real estate is competitive, but Georgetown students have an edge. Presenting JL Access, a leading real estate recruitment firm, partnered with Georgetown University's Steers Center for Global Real Assets to help students turn education into opportunity.
I'm Frank Cohen. The JL Access program, it really comes down to two things that we do. One, we help bring companies to Georgetown to get more exposure to the student body. We do that through career fairs, employer events, and in-semester internships. Secondly, when the companies are on campus, we help the students put their absolute best foot forward.
My name is Denise Dorgan. I'm Assistant Dean of the McDonough Career Center at Georgetown University, McDonough School of Business. We work with Jackson Lucas to accomplish two goals. First, to secure internships, whether it is in semester or after graduation. The second is to secure full-time roles upon graduation. We do this in four distinct ways. The first, one-on-one career preparation sessions. The second, weekly office hours with Jackson Lucas. The third, a spring and fall employer networking and career fair event. And last, continue to improve and deepen our employment strategies so that we can help our students engage with our employers and earn either in-semester internships and/or full-time work.
My name is Michael Kobe, and I graduated from the Georgetown Global Real Assets program in 2025. JL Access was incredibly powerful for me as a student looking to go back into the workforce. It provided me with many networking opportunities, such as the career fair that they held at Georgetown. The JL Access team helped me so much when I was navigating the different companies that I was talking to, the offers that were coming in from those companies, how to negotiate my compensation, and ultimately help me choose the right role for me.
Since launch, more than 40 firms have joined the first Georgetown Real Estate Career Fair, leading to multiple job offers and interviews. Private office hours are fully booked, and students are landing roles at some of the industry's top firms.
I've worked at these companies. I've interviewed the students coming out of undergrad, MBA, master's. I've managed them. I've made hiring decisions. So I know exactly what these companies are looking for and what it takes to get hired by them.
At Georgetown, education meets real-world access. With JL Access, students don't just study real estate, they start their careers in it.